In the stockroom at Madison Avenue, what do we have in the box? Oh my gosh, you guys are in for a treat. It's the Mikey! This is the absolute best new wallet. And what I love about it, are you guys paying attention? Look at all the amazing colors he comes in. Mama likey a Mikey. And I'm going to tell you all the reasons why. Pink, black, navy, and then we have these other two ones, but these are the things that I want to show you. Look at the wonderful capacity, all the different parts of the Mikey, and this place for a few shekels. What's better than the Mikey? Love him.